welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Thousands face flight cancellations as winter storms wreak havoc across United States. Blizzard warnings issued. Hundreds of the flights have been grounded across the United States from a pair of winter storms that left more than a foot of snow in New York's Hudson Valley and sparked blizzard warnings across the Great Plains. The first storm brought heavy snow Sunday across the Boston and New England, the National Weather Service said. Regions to the north and west of the New York City, including the upper Hudson River Valley, received from 6 to 12 inches of the snow. New York City was spared the worst of the weather, with the Manhattan's Central Park getting mostly rain. While the storm in the east pulls away through Sunday, a second is moving across the western states, sparking winter storm warnings and weather advisories from Arizona to Illinois and a blizzard warning in the New Mexico and Colorado. The two systems have contributed to 692 flight cancellations across the United States as of early Sunday, with the Boston, Newark, Seattle and Chicago hardest hit, according to the FlightAware, an airline tracking company. Passenger rail carrier Amtrak has cancelled some trains to Boston as well as across the Midwest. In addition, about 11,800 customers were without power in Massachusetts, mainly in the Middlesex County, north and west of Boston, according to the poweroutage.us. New York's Central Park got just 0.2 inch of the snow as of 7 a.m., which means its record for the longest streak without at least an inch of snow continues, Carbin said. As of Saturday, Manhattan had gone 692 days without at least an inch of the snow, smashing the prior mark of 383 days that ended in March 21, 1998, according to the Weather Service. Looking ahead, the western storm will likely bring heavy snow across the Midwest, including 9 inches just west of the Chicago Monday night into Tuesday, and flooding to the eastern United States as downpours land on the melting snowpack. Parts of the New York and New Jersey that got a lot of snow through Sunday will have 1 to 3 inches of the rainfall Tuesday into the Wednesday. Snow will wind down in upstate New York in few hours and will continue in Boston and New England through the rest of the Sunday. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.